before we go into the full routine, first I will show you the move that you're gonna use in this trick. Okay, basically this is the card control, okay, where you put the selection in the middle and make it back on the top. Okay, and this is how to do it. Example, this is the selection. Okay, you just put it in the middle of your deck. Okay, it's completely okay in the middle, and you just push a little bit, okay, like this, and after that you grab the pack, okay, on top this selection, okay, and what you're going to do, you just move to the front. At the same time you just push the selection like this, and this is what happened. Okay, so one more time. Okay, you just insert the selection, okay, in the middle. Okay, just push a little bit, just leave the pack, okay, and you just do the move like this. You just separate the deck like this. Okay, so one more time. Okay, so here leave, okay, push it, do it together, and this is the position. After that you just put your thumb on the selection and just pull back like this until the selection is pop out. And the action, okay, this is, you just do it at the same time. You just push, okay, the front pack, just push back, and you just put the selection like this. Okay, so one more time. You insert, okay, lift the pack, move it like this, okay, put your thumb on the selection, put it back, and square everything like this. So from the front, okay, just put the selection in the middle. Okay, you can show that's clearly in the middle. Remember, lift the pack, move like this, okay, and just pull back the selection. Okay, right now I already in this position, okay, but it's completely covered. And then you just square the deck together and put the selection in normal speed. It's like this. You just show, put it in the middle, okay, just do the move, okay, showing like this, and you just make the card back on the top. If you want it, you can do it as a card control. Okay, just put it like this. You can show this is the selection and just do the move, and you secretly make the card back on the top. Okay, that's the move that you're gonna do. For the full routine, basically you can perform any ambitious card routine that you already know, okay, and you just perform this effect as a final touch. But in my performance, okay, I use a simple trick. Okay, example, this is the selection. All you do, you just put two random card, okay, on top of your selection, okay, and you can put it, show it as one. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do, you can give a freaky break at this three card and showing one card like this. So this is triple. Okay, so show triple it, okay, as one, turn over and take the top card, put it in the middle. Okay, you can shake it, and after that you just perform double it, showing the card again. So this is right now double. Okay, so after triple you execute double. After that, turn over again, put the top card in the middle, okay, and you can snap your fingers, makes the card jump back on the top. And right now, of course, the final, you want to show the visual how to make the card back on top. You just execute the move. Okay, you can show it like this, of course, and just perform the final move, showing like this, and make the card back on top. Okay, of course, if you want it, you can one more time put it on the face down position. You can show it like this, just execute the move. Okay, you can snap and make the card back on the top.